In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remix in MidJourney. Let's start simple. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type MidJourney and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Click the official MidJourney website. This ensures you're using the latest interface and features. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects. Once you're on the site, look for the Create section. This is where you can view your generated images and jump back into any project you've already worked on. Think of it like your personal gallery and workspace combined. It's a great place to keep track of your experiments and revisit ideas you want to evolve. Now, find that image you want to remix and click it to open its details. This takes you to the job view, where you'll see options related to that specific image. We're focusing on Remix here. The Remix tools let you transform an existing result while keeping its style, composition, or mood as a guide. It's perfect when you like the overall look but want to change the main subject or make a bold shift in direction. Inside the Remix section, choose Strong. This tells MidJourney to lean into bigger creative changes. If you're aiming for something noticeably different, Strong is the right choice. It keeps the core feel while allowing the system to reinterpret your idea more freely. Next, update the prompt by changing the subject from ant to butterfly. Keep the rest of the prompt intact so the style, lighting, or camera details carry over. For example, if the original had dramatic lighting or a macro lens look, leaving those parts in will help maintain that vibe with your new subject. This is a helpful way to quickly explore variations without starting from scratch. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. MidJourney will process the remix and generate new images based on your updated subject and the strong setting. Give it a moment to finish. Once the results appear, compare them with the original to see how the change influenced the composition and style. If you like where it's going, you can keep iterating with the same approach. Tweak the wording, adjust descriptors, and resubmit. Small prompt refinements often yield big improvements. And that's it. You searched for MidJourney, opened your Create page, selected an image, chose Strong in the Remix section, changed the subject from ant to butterfly, and submitted your remix. Follow these steps whenever you want to reimagine an image while keeping the qualities you already love.